Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. This is Kedra Flowers coming with another short tax tip video. We've been going through the series of the IRS website and what's available out there. They have updated the website. It is awesome for getting a lot of the information that you need. And prior to then, you'd have to go down to the IRS Taxpayer Center to access this information. So now you can go to the website. Tax transcripts is what we're going to talk about right now. So the first thing to do is to go to irs.gov. You can see I've already gotten to the home page. When you get to irs.gov, you have several options. We're just going to go right down the front page here over to the right, get your tax record. So many of you need tax transcripts. One, if you're delinquent in filing, you may need wage and income transcripts, which show everything that's been reported to you by your employers, by your banks, anybody who's sending you a 1099, 1098, W-2 form. All of that information is out here. Another thing is if you have students in college like myself, then you're doing the FAFSA, so you need to submit your tax transcripts or connect that with your FAFSA. So the Get Tax Record link takes you to Welcome to Get Transcript. And obviously, I'm not going to go over reading everything because once you get out here, you can read this. But if you want to request your transcript immediately online, what you need to do is come down to Get Transcript Online. In order to get set up on the service, you need to know your Social Security number, your date of birth, the filing status on your most recent tax return, and the mailing address for the most recent tax return. If you saw the video on estimated tax payments, then you'll see that this is kind of a common theme as far as for validation of who you are is your most current mailing address on the tax return. And then you'll need an email account. If you don't have an email account, you'll want to go set one up. Set up a free Google account and get that done before you come out here, or just click to another page link and do that. And then you'll need some personal information, and you won't know what that information is going to be until you actually get online, and it's going to ask you the question, and then but it's going to be a personal account number either from a credit card, mortgage, home equity loan, line of credit, car loan. So you'll need an account number or a piece of information from those, one of those. And then you'll need a mobile phone that is in your name or has your name on the account. So those are the four things that you'll need. And actually, I listed several options. It sounds like more than four, but. And then the transcript types that are going to be available out here. You can click in anytime, if you're not very computer literate, anytime there's a different color, you can click in to get to the next screen. But the transcript types are listed. The tax return transcript, which is the return, which for FAFSA mostly is what you're needing. The tax account transcript is the information on your actual account. So it does give you the same information that's on the tax return as far as how much you owe and all of that, your filing status and all of that. But it also gives you any payments that you've made and things like that. Record of account combines the two of those together. So you get the tax return and tax account transcripts all in one. So it's going to show you everything going in and out of that account as well as the tax return as filed. And then you have your wage and income transcript. This is your income information. W-2s, 1099s, 1098s, 5498 IRA contribution information. All of that information is going to be out there. Your mortgage interest, all of that. So if you're having to go back and do tax returns from prior years, you can go pull those transcripts. When people hire me to go in and get 6 years tax returns caught up, I never do that without going. I actually go as power of attorney. It's another system, but I go and access all of your wage and income information so that I make sure that we're not leaving off an interest statement or something that's going to cause you an audit or a underreporter assessment in the future. And then also, if you have not filed or are not required to file, you can also, through this transcript portal, get a verification of non-filing. And in some cases, if you're getting a loan or something like that, they may request that you do that. So we're going to go back to the tax return transcript page. And remember, to get here, we just clicked from irs.gov, request tax report or tax record. And then you get transcript online. Now, to go through the process of doing this, you're going to go in and you're going to create an account. And it takes about 15 minutes, and you're going to need those things that I told you. So it tells you full name, email, birth date, social security, tax filing status, current address, and then you say yes, you do have that information, and then it's going to tell you they're going to also verify the credit card, the same stuff, and then you just go through the process. I don't know, I'm going to stop somewhere here because it's going to stop me because I don't need to set it up, so I'm not going to do it. But here is where you enter your name, email address, and all of that. So pretty much you're going to, from here, follow the instructions. Once you're in your basic information here, it's going to send you a code to the email address that you have set up. So make sure that you have access to that email address before you start this process, because that'll cause a whole bunch of hiccups. I would suggest if you can have it up on your phone or have it up on another page so that you can just click over, get the code, come back, put the code here, and then you can move forward into pulling your transcript. If you have any other questions on this, definitely comment below, and I'd be happy to go over or answer any of those questions in the comments as far as types of transcript you might need and that kind of stuff. Also, remember, the IRS website is a great source of information. They have tons of information out there, and hopefully you enjoy it. If there's something that you like here, definitely like, subscribe, and share. Thank you and have a great day. Kedra Flowers, you can visit me at kedraflowers.com. Continue following me on YouTube, and I will keep little updates out here for you. If you have specific questions, shoot me an email or a contact via the website and ask the question. You can also make a comment in a video here. I do respond to all my comments, and if you request a specific video, I will reply with that video. Thank you and have a great day.